Okay, so we've got some happy, playful babies because they just ate their dinner. And now they're feeling in a playful mood. Let's see if I can get this set up so you can see everybody. Yeah? Are you talking to me? Is that right? Huh? Huh? Laredo talking to me. And this is little Isha that just jumped off of the bed and is now playing with Luz and Lisa right here. So Luz, yeah, that's Isha. She's still come out of her shell. Remember how those puppies were just like duds for the first few weeks? Not anymore. Really? Is that right? Is that right? Yeah, here's little Lonnie down here. Let's see who's playing over here. I can't tell. Laredo. And I don't know if that's Lily on the bottom or what. I can't see. Okay, so I thought this was Lisa, but it's Leslie, the all white one playing, because here's Lisa down here with Lonnie and Lily. Are you Lily? Yes, I think you're Lily. Which means this is Luz and... Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! And Lorena, I think, playing. Where's Leilani? Leilani, where? Oh, there she is, playing with a toy here. Leilani. Just having fun all by her little self, playing with a toy. It would be nice if you guys would go to the center of the play area. Yes, it would. Yes, it would. I started them on dry food this morning. They did great with it. They loved it, gobbled it all up. Hi. Hi, Leslie. Hi. Those Lisa play. I bought them a little bed, and they love it, but they also are a terror on it.
I actually picked up her. I actually on her phone.
See, they're putting holes in it already. They think it's a play toy. Yeah. Oh, somebody over there going potty. They're doing so good. No accidents. Yeah. This will be the last video because next week, on Monday, they should all be in their new homes. Except maybe the one that has to fly back east. We'll see how Carmela does with getting your puppy to you. Yes. Got a couple playing back here. Barely see them. Let's see if I can zoom in. Nope, there goes another one to join. I'm going to have a drink of water. We keep lots of water in for them. They need water. I guess I got to move out now. Lisa and Leslie in here. Hi, Lily. Lily. Mm-hmm. And there's little Lorena. She's a little bitty playing with Laredo here by the dish. She's got her pinned down, poor little thing. Here comes Leilani strolling up. She said, maybe I'll check it out and see what's happening here. Yeah. Oh, this is Leon. No wonder I was getting confused with the all whites. I forgot I had an all white boy in there. Leon. Leon. Hello, Pumpkin. You're just gonna be all lazy. Maybe play a little here, huh? You gonna play a little with your sister, with Leisha? Yeah, you can play a little with her. They all play together during the day, and then at night I separate them out with their mommies. Because they still like to spend the evening with their mommy. You tell them, Lisa. Talk to them about it. Leilani's gonna pull the tail of, oh, I can't tell who it is. Lorena? Lorena, I think. Yeah, Lorena's tail. Lorena's like, whoa, wait! See how playful they are now? They're so darling. Look at this little group over here. Alright, so there you have Isha and Kaley's puppies, 7 weeks old.